Thomann, music is our passion. What's up YouTube, my name is Kevin, you're watching DIY music and videos, and you haven't done it yet, please subscribe to my channel. In this video we are going to unbox this quite large box and let's find out what's inside. Let's see. Okay, first of all, this is not for me, it's just for a friend, okay? It's a Harley Benton ukulele. Which is the cheapest one, I believe, like 22 with 80 cents. Oh, not bad. Not bad at all. It smells nice. Obviously it's out of tune. The action is quite high in this one, but I mean 22 euros. Someday I will show you my Cigar Box guitar and you will see that's not bad at all. Real good, or kind of, but it's really nice, it's quite nice made. I will keep it in the box since it's not mine. Let's moving on to the next thing, which is this MS 2005. I'm really curious because there are a few opinions on the website that it's really bad and tons of others that said that it's great and for the price is nice and so on. So let's find out. So here it is, 2005 mic stand. I can tell that for the weight it's not so bad. It comes with a pouch of silica gel. People always complain about this piece because they always broke, and in fact I have a video here on the cars that I explain how I fixed a mic stand, a loose mic stand which has this piece broken, and it's not this one, but I guess that they are all similar. Not bad. It feels really cheap, but I guess that I paid less than 10 bucks for this, so. But anyway, I bought it because you can mount here two mics. Like in the foot itself, it has a mic thread, so you can thread on a mic here, and you can use it, for instance, to put the mic in the foot, and then on the boom stick you can have the microphone, so you can talk and record yourself with this one. If you are using an adapter, which I also have another video here, so if you are interested, you can adapt a mic stand like to use it as a tripod for your cameras. I bought this looper pedal, which is an encore, I guess that you say it in English. It's a looper designed by Palmer Musical Instruments, and it's really small. Doesn't smell bad. It comes with a rubber fit. I only paid 44 euros for this one. So it has a knob and an LED and a foot switch. That's all you need to love you. I bought this piece because I wanted to have some fun. You know, right now I don't play the guitar so much. Okay, this is an iron curtain by TC Electronic. It's a really cheap noise gate and it feels really sturdy. I mean, it weighs quite a bit. All metal housing, much bigger than the looper, and two knobs, a threshold and a decay, and we will have a full-on review on this little guy, but not today, okay? Obviously, if it's a piece of shit, I will tell you, so don't worry. You know that I'm not a sponsor. Nobody gives me money for my reviews and so on, so I could say everything, whatever I want, anytime. And that's the greatest thing of YouTube, you know, because most of the big YouTubers, they are all like salesmen. They are all salesmen and also snake oil a little bit. And this is, I don't know what is this box, but it's quite heavy. Oh, I remember. This is a Leadfoot LF X1. I guess that I pay for it 20 bucks and it feels great. I mean, high quality plastic, maybe it has some metal in it. I bought this because I want to use a function that comes with a memory boy or memory toy, I don't know. I will show you someday which version I have. And since you can, hold on for a sec. So here it is. Now it's all plastic, a few rubber, but it weighs quite a bit. It doesn't feel like cheap, you know, 20 bucks. So someday soon I will give it a try and I will let you know if it's a piece of shit or if it's worth the money. I'm going to use this a lot of times because this is how they call this, an stereo bar. So you can mount here two microphones and then attach this to you thread onto your mic stand and you can thread here two microphones. And I tried to build a DIY solution for this, but at the end I couldn't find this kind of bolts. So let's see if this works and I will tell you, as I was saying, if it's worth the money or not. It's quite inexpensive, like $7 for this, and it's all metal, so I will put it on good use. It's an Adam Hall SD MSB 190. And what else? Oh, okay, so this is an XLR cable connector, a male 3-pole, and it's a Nutric NC3 MD L1. So I'm going to build a sub kick microphone, like for the kick drum, and I thought like I could use an XLR connection like for the cable, but I guess that it's better to use this, which is a chassis connector, so it will look cleaner, more neat, and great. I don't remember exactly how much I paid for this, but it's a video camera digital recorder adapter, so you can mount this on it has a thread on the, it's for attached to your mic stand, 5/8 inches threaded, and attach your camera or recorder to the adapter's 1/4 inch male. All metal. So it's another thing that I bought it just for the YouTube videos. I'm not sure if this is going to broke anytime soon, but I hope that it lasts quite a bit. So, by the way, it was really cheap. And for the last but not least, here I have my new headphones, which are the AKG K240 MK2 semi-open studio headphones. This is the most expensive thing that I bought it in this package, and so you know I have this pair of headphones. I have to get a new pair of AirPods, but they start to lose the sound, like the connection is broken or something like that, and then I thought, well, maybe I could get a better quality, higher quality headphones, because I'm always using headphones, and also for mixing and so on. So I finally replaced the connector with this one that I have laying around somewhere, which is a neutral connector, so a good one, and right now it works perfect. Since I have a new pair of headphones, I'm going to use the new ones, but it's always cool to have a pair of headphones. Like when I'm going to sleep, I always use headphones, and I guess that I will use this instead of the better ones. So like I will use this only for studio applications and to listen to music or something, but I will sleep with this one. So in case they're broke, I don't have to worry because I have a new one here. So let's open this box and see how I feel with my new pair of headphones. You can tell just by the box that is expensive product. Well, not so expensive because I only paid $60 for this. And the main reason why I choose this one over others was like you can unplug the cable. Just like that. So let's see how it feels. Oh, nice. It also comes with 2 extra pairs of AirPods, so that's cool. And this cable, this other cable, which is curly, and it's quite interesting that it has like an XLR, mini XLR connection. I'm going to check the headphones. I guess that they sound cool, but like the bass drum, I don't feel the bass drum so much. I'm not sure. Maybe because the other headphones that I had, they accentuate so much the bass drum, but I almost can't hear it. So I will try with other songs or maybe just drums to check if the bass drum sounds, or maybe they are faulty unit. I'm not sure. Okay, so right now I'm listening to Dave Grohl play isolated drums, and they sound awesome. They are really good. I mean, yeah, they are really good. And I can hear the bass drum, so it's okay. That's all for today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. In this case, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, I'm so sorry. Give me 2 thumbs down. Hope to see you next time. So always remember to subscribe to my channel, and see you later.